Hello YouTube. We're going to today do a starter on a 2014 Duramax LML four-wheel drive. This truck's got a lift kit on it, a little easier to get up underneath this thing, no need to put it on a lift. But the starter on the four-wheel drive setups is not the easiest to get out if you've never done one before. I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. It makes the job a little bit easier to get it out. What happens is, I don't know if you guys can see, but this ear on the exhaust right here hits on the starter, and it hits between the exhaust, the bell housing, the frame, all that, and you can't get the starter out. I've already got the starter loose right now, so I've got the wires disconnected and the 2 bolts out of the starter, but I'm going to show you guys the easy way of getting it out without getting frustrated spending hours on this thing, trying to get it through the frame. And so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this clamp off for the exhaust, drop the exhaust down a little bit. Second thing we're going to do is back here, there are 2 nuts right up in here for the transmission mount. We're going to remove those. They should be 15 mil, and then we're going to put a jack up underneath the trans pan with the block and lift it up just a slight bit, and after that the starter should drop right out. That's how I've always done these trucks. The 4-wheel drives are a little bit harder than the 2-wheel drives. 2-wheel drives come right out, no problem at all, but it's a tight fit on the 4-wheel drives. On some of the earlier models, like the LB7, the LBZ, even the LMM models, it's not quite necessary to have to remove all that. There's a little bit more room in there. I don't know why the difference, but I've been able to remove starters on the other ones no problem. But for the LML, this is my trick to doing it. So I'm gonna go and get the clamp off, and get the exhaust drop down, get these 2 nuts off, and get the trans lifted up a little bit, and then I'll show you guys on getting that starter right out. Okay, now we have the exhaust out of the way. Moved the starter a little bit there, but we've got the exhaust out of the way, and we have a jack under the trans with those nuts off of there. And correction, these were 18s, not 15s. It's 15s on the older trucks. So these are 18s. Get those out, lift it up just a little bit. Didn't have to be too much, just enough to allow for a little bit more clearance. Okay, now we've got enough room. And out she comes just like that. And then let's get the new one stabbed back up in there. We're going to go the same exact direction that this one was. Just as such. And that is my trick to getting this starter out and in without having to pull a whole bunch of stuff. And pulling the exhaust is pretty easy with one clamp. It's 11 mil, and then lift this up just a tad bit. Pretty easy to do. So like and subscribe. I will be posting more videos. If there's a particular video that you guys are looking for, if I get it in as a repair, I'll definitely make a video of it. But shoot me a message in the comments if there's something you want to see, and look forward to posting another video.